I'll
grab the boat.
Hey, I'm in the lead. There's spiders.
One Anderson, Abby, come turn.
It's an M, and this is the front.
That's the back.
No!
Why with the...
M! Max! Thank the Lord! Yes, you are. I'm getting out. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Oh my gosh, it's water. Josh! Hey, hand your phone to Anna. I'm getting out. Josh, help us. Hey,
Anderson.
I'm not leaning. I'm not trying.
Ab.
Are you gonna try to turn that corner?
Hurry up.
Yeah, I'm getting her phone.
I'm not throwing my phone. Anderson, you're such a idiot.
What?
If I move up there, you're going to sink that in. I know that.
That's good, because then we can get out. Yes, good. Try to move. Not Anderson. Don't.
Other way.
It's working. It's finally going the other way. No, no. No, that's good. That's good.
And then I can go to my mom.
Yeah.
If you would stop me.
Yeah, stop moving. I'm not trying to move, guys. You are. No, I'm not. Stop pushing. You're pushing. You see this? I'm literally just trying to make sure you're sitting up straight. This dog is so
Yeah.
Did you get rid of your phone?
No.
Man, I told you to throw it to him now.
I wasn't going to throw it.
Why? It ain't gonna
to
hurt
the
it
left.
to drown. You get it in the water, you get it in the water and it ain't gonna work.
Abby.
Stop leaning.
I'm not
He
leaning.
is leaning.
No, I'm not.
Anderson.
I'm not leaning. This is so stressful, Mom. I'm not
He's leaning. It's obvious he's leaning. You act like you haven't been in a canoe and
If the phone goes
Abby,
in
I
the
thought-
water, it's done. So
Ab-
all
Forward,
back from the
forward,
side.
forward. Go, 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 go. I hate this so much.
We've done this so many times, though.
How long has it been, Troy, Mom?
Like what? 2 years?
Exactly.
That's not even that long ago.
Thank you, doggo. Okay.
all right. Good. What are you doing?
Anderson, you're going to make this end sink.
That's your fault.
Why are you standing?
Take it out. Take it out.
Why? You gonna cry?
I hate this.
There, if that
I am
flips
gonna
over and that
cry.
phone goes in, I'm
Max,
gonna be
give me
pissed.
your hand.
Anderson, stop. I don't want to slip.
I would give the dog my phone, but he would probably just come back to the water.
How am I going to get down here?
All right. You gotta swing it so you can give me your phone.
I want to get out.
Here,
No.
just swing the boat sideways. It's not that.
Cry
Can I
me
get
a-
out.
No.
Too bad.
It's,
Swing
No.
it.
No.
wait. Yeah, there you go. Now, other side.
Moving.
No, yeah, there you go.
There we go. Okay.
Forward. Yes, there's a spot where I can get out. Bobby, don't turn to the right.
That's good, that's good.
There you go.
Just don't move.
If you
Hey,
All right.
there you go.
I'm in the front, right? And
All
he's in
right.
the back?
You're the one. He's in
Why
the
would
front.
the red thing be in the front?
Here.
See the clip for the motor right there to your left?
Yeah. See the clip?
Oh.
How am I gonna get out?
Come me up here.
You want up? Okay.
Yeah.
Tree!
Huh?
Oh,
Yeah, let go of the tree.
Should have what?
I didn't say nothing.
I want out.
Okay, Okay, let go. I'll move you to the front again.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
I want to go right there.
No.
Troy!
Troy.
No!
You let go.
I don't want to get out.
Let go so he can help you.
Yeah, let go.
Stop helping.
On top of that snake! The black one! There's a black one hanging above you! Back up, Abby, for real. There's a snake there.
Oh my gosh.
I want you out of my boat.
You think this is funny?
It is so funny.
Hilarious.
I think it's hilarious.
Don't go forward, go back. It'll spin.
Yeah.
Back. Hard. Back hard fast.
Call the dog.
It's just a little bug.
Call the dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
You put water in.
that's your fault!
Where's your phone at, Anderson?
In the house. Not that stupid.
Alright, I'm going to go forward.
Yes.
Chaos.
Other side.
And oh!
He can't. He can't sit.
Cry! You're not going forward, stupid.
Yes, she is.
You're literally turning all the way left.
Okay, you're gonna run into this tree.
You gotta go push him.
Get in on a push him.
Mouth, son.
Come on, pull him in.
I'll sit in the middle.
Hold on, she's gonna pull you in. Oh my gosh. Oh my
I
gosh.
don't know if you can pull this weight, Mom.
Hurry up.
I hate you! You're the worst human!
You're letting water in.
Yeah. Oh.
Chaos, help him. Chaos. Chaos. Timmy fell in the well, Chaos.
Straight there, not that way!
Oh yeah, that would be a nice way to go.
No!
I want you to call the dogs. I want to see if they'll come.
Chaos. Chaos.
The tree! Forward!
Hey. Chaos.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, poor boat.
Oh my god!
Go get the canoe. Chaos.
You guys gotta
You
get it!
gotta get the canoe.
You gotta
back in
go!
Yeah. Go get
You
the
gotta!
Just reach.
canoe.
Oh my gosh. I hope you got that on video, Max.
I hope I did too.
You are, not so great.
I know, I feel like I did really bad.
Not here.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay.
Grab that.
Well, you're gonna.
At least it's not
Where's
sinking.
that still right there? Chaos. Serious, we gotta get that.
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah, I know.
Well, out of you. Go look back.
Leaning! No, don't turn!
Uh-oh. There you go. Get that rake.
What'd you say? Because I didn't understand.
Grab the shovel. You just take the shovel and you stick it out there, hook the edge and pull it, and then we can turn it over when you get it over.
Your face was priceless.
You're like,
Priceless.
Abby is frightened. It wasn't even that gross.
Hey, there's a turtle.
Anderson, go sit
There is a
there.
turtle
I
in
don't
there.
feel like getting my toes going like gone. With fish and turtles.
I hope the turtle
And bite.
Ain't nothing bite you.
You're fine.
Okay, then you can go right back in and get it.
Well, he is.
You walk in the water.
Over
You
there
walk
and
in
hook
and
the
then you
shovel
scoop
down
it.
from it to the top of it.
Look, now there's
That's
fish
it,
in
you
there.
Pull it to you. Go.
Go.
Yeah, walk.
Idiot.
Abby, it's your boat. Abby,
You're
just
already.
walk.
I'm not going back in there.
Anderson,
It was your
just,
boat.
Anderson, just walk. Keep going.
It's Abby's
You
boat.
already.
If you
She
feel
said
so
she
confident,
wants
then
me
you can
out
go
of
in.
her boat.
Man,
Abby,
help get the boat.
just walk in there.
I'm not going in that one.
You
We're
both
already
are
down.
already soaked.
Okay.
Chaos, get the boat.
Too much. All right. Well, you guys got to get that out of there.
Are people watching?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. What a moment.
Yeah.
It's raining, so you guys better get it. I know I never started going in that boat. Anderson, just go down there. Abby, have fun.
Give me your flip-flop.
Both of you are soaked. Here, Anderson, do you need these?
I'm not going in.
Just go.
Abby's boat.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
Abby.
Our poor boat.
I know.
You got to go get it.
Already in there.
You got to go get it.
Why do we have children?
Oh, that was too funny. That was probably the funniest thing I've ever seen. All right.
Can you boat one of you?
The second funniest will be them getting it out. All right, come on.
Your boat.
I'm not going in there.
Hey, you tipped it.
Yeah, you tipped her boat.
You tipped it.
I didn't do it on purpose.
You were literally going like this. You were like trying to lean that way, but your butt was like that.
Yeah.
He was like, all right, let me lean.
You were already down there. Just go.
I wasn't doing it on purpose.
I wasn't doing it on purpose. Oh my gosh, stop.
Easy.
You touched it on.
Hey, Anderson, come
Yeah,
on.
I believe in you, dog.
Both
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Go get him, Chaos.
Chaos,
Wrong,
get
wrong
Anderson.
person. Wrong person. All right, come on. We got to get it out. It's starting to rain.
Yeah.
Go, Abby.
I'm not going in there.
Get it.
All you have to do is scoop it out. You're our Anderson. You're taller. She could sing.
And it's not that far.
I have
Yeah.
short arms.
Oh, just
That
shut
is a
up. Come
long
on.
shovel.
Abby, have fun.
I'm not going in there.
Use the rake. It'd be even easier.
Are you
Right
sure?
there.
That's shorter.
You think?
And it's plastic.
Well, you just got to get the lip of the canoe and pull it.
If you didn't notice, it's not going down.
I know, and I don't
keep
want
it
it to
there.
go down. It's starting to rain.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on, I'll help.
Come on, Anderson. Are you guys serious?
Let's go.
Anderson, you were already down there.
Oh, and yeah, you guys got to get the paddle. Was there only one paddle?
Yeah, she was using one.
Okay. Chaos, get the paddle.
He could get it, to be honest.
He would get it.
He wasn't even moving. Abby, you can get
Come here.
I'll get the boat. Yes, get
The paddle's further.
Come here.
Mom told me to get it.
Come on.
Mom told me to get it because it's longer.
Get the paddle.
Come on.
It's weaker.
Idiot.
And you're gonna step in water. You don't need to wipe off the dirt.
You should have.
There's a boat.
You have no idea, idea
Guys,
how
move.
disgusting.
Coming.
Oh yeah, you go.
Excuse me, mother.
Oh, okay, go for it.
Hate me so
For
much.
the
No, that was just funny.
No, that was not funny or delightful.
Come on, all you got to do is just get it enough to pull it.
That's
Walk
not
in
good.
a few feet. It's not that hard.
Yeah.
We don't want to go back in.
Well, you don't have a choice.
You're already here.
You're already here.
Anderson, walk in. Just walk in.
End it.
You said it wasn't as bad as how Abby.
Yeah.
She was like, you.
She was honestly frightened.
I don't know.
Yeah.